Fuck it. I'm in the room, chilling, tired. Took my son back. Time to prank Anaya. What should I do? She's probably playing Fortnite right now. I'm just gonna go in there and unplug it and not say nothing and get her reaction. Let's go. What's up?
What, Dad?
What's up?
I'm playing with my friend.
What are you doing?
No!
What
Dad!
is he doing? A YouTube video? Is he?
Dad! You! Oh my God! What is wrong with you? I was in the middle of a game! I was in the middle of a game! The middle of a game! I was literally 60 points up from him! You know what? Give me this. You're done with this YouTube.
As y'all can see, they're trying to beat me up now. Look. Look at them. Look at them. They mad. Look at this. Dang, all over again. Look at this. Crazy they be acting over again. You just plug it in. They acting crazy.
Restarts the whole thing!
Over a game. Look at them.
It restarts the whole thing! That's what you don't understand!
You that mad over Fortnite?
Yes, I am!
Get that camera!
I was 60 points up! 60!
Look at this. They done grabbed my neck up over a game.
Not over again.
Really? Then why you in it? No one did nothing to you.
It's not just a game!
Yeah, y'all hear her? Yeah. I was 60 points up. Dang, man, these kids is crazy. Over a game. What?
60 points up!
Woo!
Okay, you go.
60
We were getting ready to be in a tournament!
Thanks for watching, YouTube. Stay tuned for the next prank on Anaya. Yeah. Got her.